4.3 is about prefix. After learning different prefixes, we combining with 4.2 the engineering notations topics to express numbers in a more clear and organized format. Here is the table of the prefixes. The row in the center is 1 times 10 to the power 0. This is our starting point. It is the horizon of this table, which is the starting point, the reference point. So begin with the center row, 1 times 10 to the power 0. If we move upward, going up, the prefix increases. From the same reference point going down, it decreases. So let's go up. So the first prefix we're going to cover is this K. So prefix K means kilo, and a kilo is defined as 1,000, such as a kilogram, a kilometer, that kilo. So kilo is defined as 1,000, which is 10 to the power 3. If it goes up one step, that is, the next prefix is 1,000 times bigger than kilo, which is 10 to the power 6, and that is mega. The prefix is M, uppercase M. Make sure this must be uppercase M that represent mega. Lowercase m, if you look at below, is milli. So again, one more time, make sure you use uppercase M to represent is mega. Mega million, right? Mega is a million, which is 10 to the power 6. If you go upward one more unit, the G means giga. A giga is 10 to the power 9, which is 1,000 times larger than the preceding prefix million. The largest prefix that we need to know for our class is the tera. Tera is 10 to the power 12, 1,000 times larger than giga. Let's go back to the center row, the horizon, the reference point, the reference line. And then now we go downward. The lowercase m means milli, and milli is 1,000 times smaller than 1, which is 10 to the power negative 3. If you continue reducing this prefix by 1,000, the next one is micro. The symbol is a Greek letter called mu. Mu means micro, and micro means 10 to the power negative 6. The next one is nano. Nano, n. The prefix is n, and that means nano. Nano is 10 to the power negative 9. The last one in the list is pico. Pico Rivera, pico. So P is the prefix, and the pico means 10 to the power negative 12. Let's work on these examples. This example shows the reason, the application, why we need to learn prefixes and the engineering notation. As you can see, all these numbers are expressed in engineering notation. The number portion for every value is in the range, greater than or equal to 1 and less than 1,000. And then for every number's exponent is multiple of 3. All these 5 numbers are expressed in engineering notation. We want to replace the power of 10 part by equivalent prefix. For example, 2 times 10 to the power 3 omega, that 10 to the power 3, which is 1,000, can be replaced by kilo. So 2 times 10 to the power 3 ohm is same as 2 kilo ohm. The next number, 3 times 10 to the power negative 3. 10 to the power negative 3 is milli. So this number is same as 3 milliampere, 3 milliamps. The third number, 4.78 times 10 to the power 6 volt. 10 to the power 6 is 1 million. So this number can be expressed as 4.78 megavolt. For the fourth number, 1.34 times 10 to the power negative 6 joule. 10 to the power negative 6 is micro. So this number can be expressed as 1.34 microjoule. And then the last number, negative 5.48 times 10 to the power negative 9. C, the negative 9, the 10 to the power negative 9 can be replaced by n, where n is the nano. So this number can be expressed as negative 5.48 nanocoulomb.